A very warm good morning to one and all. Today we will start chapter 8, that is water scarcity and conservation of water. Water scarcity means shortness of supply of the water, and conservation means the protecting of the natural world or the protecting of the water. Let us start now. We have already learned about the importance of water in our life. We can live without food for some days but cannot live without water for long, which means there is a great importance of water in our day-to-day life. We can live without food for some days but cannot live without water for the long period. The Earth is called a blue planet because 3/4 of its surface is covered with water. Surface means the outside part of something. Most of this water exists in oceans. Exist means to be found in the real world, and ocean means the mass of salt water that covers most of the surface of the earth. As we know, the ocean water is salty and cannot be used for our daily needs. Only a small part of water is fresh water, which is present in rivers, streams or lakes and can be used by us for our daily needs. We cannot use ocean water for our daily use because it is salty. That's why we can use the water of rivers, streams or lakes for our daily needs. This means that the amount of water available for our survival is limited. This limited amount of fresh water is further decreasing due to various factors. Decreasing means to make something less. Hence, there is a scarcity of water. It means the fresh water is limited. Now we will know about factors causing shortage of water. Number 1, population. With increase in population, the demand for water has also increased. Increasing population means the number of people is increasing day by day. That's why demand for water is also increasing. More people need more water, but the supply is not increasing. The supply of water is limited. Hence, the amount of water available for each person is decreasing day by day. So, population is the main factor of shortage of water. Next, deforestation. Deforestation means cutting of the trees. You can see in picture also, trees are being cut. That is called deforestation. Rain and snow are the two main natural sources of water. We can get water from rain and snow. These are the natural sources of water. However, the amount of rainfall and snowfall is decreasing due to changes in the climate. Climate means the normal weather condition of a particular region. These changes come in the next page. Are caused by various undesirable human activities. Undesirable means unpleasant or not wanted human activities. Deforestation, which means cutting of trees in the forest, is one such activity. Trees are cut and forests are being cleared for building houses and factories. Trees are being cut for building houses and factories. Some people cut trees just for earning money by selling the wood of these trees. At present, the number of trees being cut is more than that being planted. trees are not being planted, whereas trees are cutting more and more. This decrease in the number of trees results in a decrease in rainfall, which is also a factor of the scarcity of water. Strict steps should be taken to prevent deforestation. More and more trees need to be planted to maintain the balance in nature. It means we must plant trees. Next, setting up of factories. As we know, population is increasing day by day. That's why our needs are also increasing. For this, we had to set up factories. Big factories are being set up at different places. This is to meet the growing demand of foodstuff, clothing, and other materials. The factories need a large quantity of water. They fulfill this need by using underground water. Look here, children. Factories are being set up and there is need of water for setting up of factories. Due to shortage of rainfall, underground water does not get filled up again as much as it is used. This has led to a sharp decrease in the level of underground water. Our needs are increasing day by day, but the supply of water is limited. Setting up of factories need more and more water, but the supply of water is limited. That's why this is also a cause of water scarcity. That's all for today. In next class, we will learn about need for conserving water. Now we can conclude that increasing population, cutting of the trees, and setting up of factories are the root cause of water scarcity. That's all for today.